Today I'm going to be unboxing a power supply by EVGA SUPERNOVA G3 series. Here it is. Before I go further, I'd just like to point out that the presentation is pretty damn good here. In the box you have an instruction manual telling you what and what not to do, a little bag to carry all your shopping in, cables goes in there, bunch of power supply cables there, which I'll go through in a bit, and there's some more here. Also I've got some Velcro straps, some block, I'll get to it soon, and some screws to mount it. And then last but not least, we have the power supply, which is quite well padded, and it has its own bag. Got the old EVGA gold logo, and it's a little pouch. There you are, the 650 watt version. If you look at the start, it's a gold rated power supply, 80 plus gold, and it's fully modular, and it also has a hybrid switch. Hybrid mode means that it can basically have the fan on when needed, or not have the fan on, so it can be quieter and obviously more efficient. Then down here we have all the modular slots, so get the right way around. On top here you got your motherboard ATX 24 pin. You only have one CPU slot, which is EPX, and the last model came with two. I don't know what EVGA have done here. You have two SATA, which I believe they have 6 altogether, peripheral slot, 2 VGA slots, and before I go on to the cables, I'd like to point out that even after the presentation, the actual quality is solid and robust. So we're over to the cables now. There's not many cables included in this actually. The previous G2 version had a lot more cables, so we're going for these. We've got the 24 pin ATX cable, pretty standard. It's pretty thick actually, so it might be quite hard to route that. Also, we only have one CPU cable, 2x4 pin. Normally, well, the last one had 2 of these. We've got 2 8 pin graphics connectors, 6 pin plus 2s. That's all there. We have 2 SATA lines, 3 SATA cables in each. Not sure how long they are actually. We'll check. It's got some distance, so it should be quite good. It should be enough for most people's needs. And we've got Molex, 4 Molex cables, and we also have a floppy drive connector adapter from Molex, if people still use floppy drives, that is. And that is literally the unboxing. If you like this video, give it a like. If you disliked it, you know what to do, and subscribe for future videos from me. I'll see you in the next one.